Hi, my name is Lachelle. I have a Korg EK-50 Limitless, and I have a question regarding the set list. Wondered if anyone knows an answer or a solution to the problem I'm having. So I have these set lists saved. When I go from the number 1 set list and I want to go into the number 2 set list by just pressing the key, it cuts out and has kind of a weird sound. This is what it sounds like. I have my sustain pedal on. Not a good sound. But when I'm on, say, number 3, one of the sounds, and that's exactly what I want and I would expect to hear. When I go from 4 to 3, has just a little bit of a pad sound. It could be better, but it's not that bad. But again, if I go from 1 to 2 to 2 to 3, this is what happens. It just totally shuts off and has this ringing noise. I'm just wondering if anyone knows if there's a way to fix it. Is this normal for Korg? Just let me know in the comments. Thanks.